February of 2020, I drove 1,800 miles from South Texas to Michigan so I could start my first full-time job as an engineer. We all know what happened just a few months after February of 2020. I didn't expect it to turn out the way it did. I don't think any of us did. Except maybe Family Guy. They may have known.
I'm talking about homeschooling, Brian. Just until a crisis is over. Peter, that's a complete overreaction.
As some time went on, millions of people were losing their jobs, and as a new employee in this huge company, I had mixed feelings. On one hand, the company had just spent thousands of dollars to get me here. I was a young engineer, so I felt safe. But I also wasn't very experienced, I didn't know anybody, and I was far from home. So I was worried. You see, I never had a dream job, but this engineering job was the closest thing to one that I had. In 10th grade, I made the decision to become an engineer. During high school, I would go to the local community college, and I got my Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering just 2.5 years after I graduated high school. All I pretty much ever did was study and work. I didn't really party. I guess I wasn't really invited, but still, I didn't really party, and I did what I was supposed to do. I worked, I went to college, I got good grades, and I got a job in the corporate world. But there's a weird feeling you get, and maybe it's just me, but there's this weird feeling when you chased a goal for so long, and it was the only goal you had, and you finally reach it. It's like, now what? And don't get me wrong, I like my job. It's usually fun, there's good people, they treat me well, good benefits, yada yada, but what about after 5 p.m.? I remember being months into this new job and this new chapter in my life, and my days looked like this. I would wake up, I would go work for somebody, I would have a few drinks, I would watch some YouTube, I would sleep, and then I would repeat. It's not what I expected it to be. This was a thing that I really looked forward to, and now that I had it, it didn't feel right. I thought about this, and I thought about this, and one day, it finally hit me. I was spending all of this time working for somebody else and no time working on myself. And so I decided I would work on myself so that I could work for myself. I'm still doing what I'm supposed to do. Putting money into a 401k, a Roth IRA, staying out of debt, living below my means, and so on. And this is all good. And it'll get me a nice retirement when I'm 60, but that's the problem. It'll get me a nice retirement when I'm 60. So I did what I always wanted to do deep down, and I started a YouTube channel. I had no idea what I was doing, and I still have a lot to learn, but I just jumped right in. Hello, my name is Mark. Hello, it's Mark. Welcome back. Hi guys, it's Mark. Welcome back. Maybe you're in a similar situation as me. Maybe you've been doing what you're supposed to, and you're still doing what you're supposed to, but if you want to retire before 60, find a way to work for yourself and find a way to make passive income. You don't have to start a YouTube channel, you don't have to ask people to smash the like button, and you don't have to quit your job. You should actually keep your job, especially at the beginning, but find a way to work on the side for yourself. When you start, you're gonna suck, but don't worry about showing people that you suck. Whether you show them or not, you're still gonna suck, but if you never show them, you'll never get better, and you'll never be able to show them that you don't suck. Just start something that you think you enjoy doing and really find out if you do. And I've been making videos on being smart with the money that you have now, but if you only do that, you'll be doing that for a really long time. It is really important that you learn to be smart with your money, so make sure you check out some of my other videos.